Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare CollaNote and OneNote to help you decide which one is best for your note-taking needs, so make sure to watch until the end and let's get started. Let's begin with CollaNote. CollaNote is ideal for students and professionals who need smooth handwriting, PDF annotation, and collaboration features. It also supports audio sensing, custom paper templates, and real-time sharing. One of the best things, it is completely free and has no ads. On the other hand, OneNote is great for Microsoft users who need cross-device syncing and typing note. It works on Windows, macOS, iPad, and Android, and syncs automatically with OneDrive. It also supports handwriting to text conversion, collaboration, and structured notebook system. The main downsides are the handwriting experience is not as smooth as CollaNote. The user interface can feel a bit cluttered. So which one you should choose? Pick CollaNote if you want the best free handwriting note-taking experience with PDF annotation, audio sensing, and no ads, perfect for iPad users. Pick OneNote if you need cross-platform support, cloud syncing, and a combination of typed and handwriting notes. It is ideal for Microsoft users. That's it.